industries. We mainly concentrate on three factors. That is energy consumption, controlling pollution, and even disaster management in industries. Why we concentrated on these factors? Because pollution is a major cause of a global warming, greenhouse gases and emissions, and it causes both harmful effects on animals and plants life. Pollution can be seen in air, water, sound, and even in the form of thermal pollution. This can be controlled by using some filters. We designed a circuit which consists of HEPA filter and HEPA. The full form of it is high effluent particulate filter. And we designed the circuit in a type. You can see the cloth here. Actually, it was surrounded with carbon impregnated cloth. It traps the harmful pollutants such as VOCs, harmful organic compounds. And even here we inserted some activated charcoal. They trap the moisture order from the air. Here, as we can see that here we inserted a HEPA filter. Actually, this is an HEPA filter is made up of electrostatic cloth. It absorbs the harmful pollutants such as benzene, solvents, heavy metals, which are dissolved in air, and many more. Here we used ceramic ionizer balls. They are they neutralize the harmful chemicals in the air. By neutralizing, they won't be either positive or negative. They can be easily neutral, so they won't cause any harmful effects on nature. Here we can see air membrane. This is actually an air membrane. It separates the low concentrated air from the high concentrated air. This is the inlet. When the air passes through the inlet, it first strikes the nano silver and carbon impregnated cloth. And here we kept an antibacterial cloth. It prevents some bacteria, it kills some bacteria. When the air passes through this pipe, it first strikes the nano silver cloth. You can see it. It absorbs some chemicals, and secondly it strikes the carbon impregnated cloth. It traps the odor and moisture. Here we arrange the smoke filter. It filters the smoke. In between there are some ionizer balls. They make the chemicals neutralize. Here we arrange HEPA filter. When the air passes through HEPA filter, it also takes the components from citronella and eucalyptus oils. These components will come out from the air gas membrane and get dissolved in the air. These the components of these oils also makes the mosquito skins, which are the main causes of dengue and malaria, which are the major problems faced in the society. In the same process, we can even generate electricity by using dynamic principle. And also, factories must be modified in disaster management. Most of the factories just detect the fire